this is our house. We're here in Port-au-Prince, Haiti today. It's a 12-foot by 12-foot house. We call it the Lego house. It literally goes together like a Lego set. 4 to 5 guys that are unskilled. We grabbed actually just 4 local people here, and within less than a day they constructed the whole home. It is hurricane rated to 100-mile-per-hour winds and basically seismic proof. We've had 8 homes here since 2000, all of which escaped undamaged from the earthquake in 2010, as well as all 4 hurricanes in 2008. And you can design multiple size homes, 12 foot by 16, 12 by 24, 12 by 20, community centers, bathhouses, storage sheds, dining facilities. Our roof has a PVC membrane roof, and it reflects 99% of the heat and light. So on a hottest summer day, it's, as you can see, very cool in here with the windows open, doors, breeze, and something that will be very appealing to the average Haitian. This house will house approximately 4 Haitians, and they do all their cooking mainly in the outside and use the restroom and other facilities. And so this house will be designed really to just provide shelter.